All right, hello again. This is Jeff Scott of Blackhawk Technical College. I have done 16 lectures on the PowerPoints for the Relational Database Development 152-147 class for the spring 2016 semester at Blackhawk Technical College. This is going to be an online class, and the previous lectures I did at home where the quality doesn't seem to be as good as it is here at Blackhawk. So I'm going to continue on here at Blackhawk. So as far as the syllabus, it's my typical syllabus stuff, my name, room number. For this class, as far as you're concerned, 7 to 8, Monday through Thursday. Much easier to get a hold of me by emailing me as opposed to sending me or giving me a voicemail. I'm hardly ever in the office. Again, the course is Relational Database Development. It's a beginning class in the MySQL Relational Database Management System. Meeting date and time, it's online. This is taken right from Banner, what you see in blue right there. The idea is you're going to learn all about relational database management systems. And in particular, we will be spending a lot of time on both the structured query language, data definition language commands, which are create, alter, and drop, and the data manipulation language, or DML commands, which are select, update, insert, and delete, sometimes referred to as CRUD for create, read, update, and delete. The idea is that you'll have an intermediate understanding of the MySQL database, relational database management system. Our book is Murox MySQL, the second edition. Right here, you can buy it online. It looks like here for $38. You can get the ebook for $31. Okay. All right. There'll be approximately 8 assignments. That's high. Don't worry about the attendance and participation. I should have removed that, and I didn't, so don't worry about it. It's all going to be based on the homework. All right. Competencies: demonstrate the ability to query and modify data using MSQL or MySQL, DDL and DML commands, create and modify database structures with MySQL, explain what stored procedures are, and explain how to secure and administer. So you'll notice that these first two are demonstrate because that's the stuff that's in chapters 1 through 12. That's the stuff I'm going to highlight in these lectures. The last two things that are in there are on chapters 13 through 19, which I will lecture on, but we won't have any homework on them. All right, again, this stuff will all be there under Blackboard. It's an online class, so I'd prefer if you email me. And this is kind of a moot point with what I'm about to do right now, but first, there will be a course evaluation. It'd be kind of nice if you filled it out, even though it's an online class. Remember that these, if you click them here, it's got, so if you think the course was consistent, you might want to say above average, for example. If you think it wasn't, you might want to say below average, for example. All right. And again, like I said, this is probably a moot point, but if you go out to Blackboard, and you go out to Blackboard for this class, which is Relational Database Development, what you'll notice out there will be all the material that you need to complete the class. There's the syllabus in both Word and PDF formats. There's the course evaluation. I'm working on the videos right now, so you can see how to Blackboard, how to virtual desktop. Chapters 1 through 16, the PowerPoints are done. I hope to do 17, 18, and 19 tonight. And then there'll be actual chapter lectures for chapters 1 through 12. So they'll all be out here under the videos. The book source, this is basically everything that was in the book. All right. PowerPoints are right there. In class, this is got to be provided. There won't be anything in class because we don't meet in a classroom. The homework will be right here. That will be filled in eventually. The announcements, I just have a welcome here that I created last month. And lastly, there is a discussion board if you're interested in that. You can go out there. This is your discussion board. All right, there's nothing out there right now. All right, so as always, if you have any questions as you're going through the class, as with all my classes, jscott@blackhawk.edu. You can phone me at 608-757-7784. But I would strongly recommend before you phone me that you email me. I answer emails as quickly as I can. I answer phone numbers or phone messages when I can get to them. There are times I don't even go up to my office for a day. I just bring my coat downstairs here to 1509 and park my butt here all day. All right? So that's it for right now. That's it for this first lecture. When we come back, I'm going to show you how to set the database up, or set up the databases for what we'll be working on. So I'll be back with that very shortly.